Stay tuned to find out how to make this nautical candle holder. To begin, you're simply going to hot glue this rope around both the top and the bottom of the candle holder. It's extremely simple. You just want to make sure not to burn yourself on the hot glue and work in small sections so that the hot glue does not dry before you get a chance to apply the rope. Once you've completely went around the candle holder once, you'll cut off any excess rope and then make sure to hot glue down the ends so that it will stop the fraying of the rope. Repeat the same process at the bottom of the candle holder right before the gold bottom piece starts. This is such a simple way to decorate this candle holder and turn it from glam to nautical. And this can be done with such few items that you may have around the house. The last little piece of rope I went ahead and unraveled so that I could get the 3 smaller pieces because I did not have enough to glue the thick rope up the side of the candle holder. So that is why I unraveled them, and then I'm using the 3 smaller pieces to connect the 2 pieces of rope at the top and the bottom of the candle holder, just to give it a little additional element of the nautical. Lastly, I'm going to use these stones and just add them to the candle holder. I ended up using 2 packs of these stones, and I got them from the Dollar Tree, so they're extremely inexpensive. And this will just add a little height to my little candles that I'm going to add at the end. Now, you can only use 1 pack if you want and use a taller candle, but I did not have any taller candles on hand, so I added 2 packs of these stones and added these cute little tea light candles to my holder. But of course, you can do it either way. If you have taller candles, then 1 pack of stones will do. And here is the final DIY nautical candle holder. It looks very nautical with the rope, and the stones remind me of the type of stones that you would find beachside. I really like the reflection that the candles make on the inside of the candle holder, and this would be a really pretty centerpiece for any occasion. Let me know down below what you would do differently if you were to make this candle holder. Thanks so much for joining me for another video. I can't believe that we're already posting our first video for the month of March. This year is flying by so fast. Cannot believe we've been through 2 months of 2020 already. There's so many more DIYs to come with me and my channel, so I hope that you keep sticking around. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Hit the subscribe button. Like this video, share it with a friend, and keep coming back every Tuesday. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. I love you guys so much, and always keep creating. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.